What is up, guys? It's your boy Sharks Moha. I just made a video. Oh, by the way, we have my little brother. We have little Emron. That's his name. First of all, I'm the most retarded person in this house. I made a video. We're doing a try not to laugh challenge. Instead of watching the screen, you guys were watching me. How dumb am I? Can I get a slap for that?
Yeah.
So I don't know what to do. We're just gonna do some stuff. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna do. So
We're not gonna do it with the ice.
yeah, we did one with the ice. So
Yeah.
when we spilled it, yeah, I'm just a normal dude with a normal retarded face.
So
Guy
now what
looking
should we do
head.
without the ice? What should we do without the ice?
Ooh, I think I know.
Nerf
We should have a
challenge.
Nerf war.
No, wait.
You don't want to have a Nerf war?
Oh yeah, that's what I was saying.
All right then.
But
So we're gonna gather some Nerf guns.
Score.
We're gonna gather some amazing.
Score.
I don't know what I said.
Score.
All right, so
What's
hit the
score?
first time.
I need to tell you something. Score, I need to tell you something.
Whip.
I need to
Cringe
tell you
whip.
something.
What?
Well, we're gonna do a Nerf. But if someone laughs on that screen, we have to do a Nerf gun to get
No.
them.
I don't know what he's talking about.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Right,
He's saying.
You just talk.
So Quinn just went to the kitchen. I know what he's doing. He's getting.
I got bullets.
And I'm gonna show you my team. I've been waiting for this, destroying the world with this.
Okay, we got some Nerf guns. Yeet. All right, so
Yo.
these are our Nerf guns. We have 4.
Yeah.
So this is our first.
Ha, ha, ha.
This is one of our bad boys.
Yeah.
This is a knife gun. It shoots 2 at a time, so we go boom, and then it's gonna shoot from there, then there, and then it doesn't shoot. And then after we have this one, it's a zombie strike. Shoots 1, and it shoots a little bit from this one, so you can go like that. This is the same thing. Instead, only this one doesn't work. These work. And we have this.
Yeah, that's my favorite one.
We just go pop. That's all we need to do. And when we want to refill bullets, we just bring it out, and then we just. Oh, there's a bullet in there. So I'm gonna take it out. Because the way to take it out is this.
Score. It's not coming out. Get it with your hands.
What the F? Alright, so yeah, when we want to fill it up, just go push it out, and we just gotta go see which one do we want to fill. Yeah, those are our 4 guns.
Score, which one do
We
you
have
want
all
to pick?
these stupid,
No,
ugly,
bullets?
retarded bullets.
Yeah.
We have 1, 2.
A blue one.
So we have 7 bullets. So let's do. I have 3. He has 4. Emron, choose your gun. Oh no, actually, wait. 1, 2. Hold up. No, actually, we have 8. So 4. Because I just found one on the floor again. Which one do you choose? It'll be down here.
First, what do you want to choose?
What do you want to choose, Emron? You go first. Choose any.
I get the feeling that you're gonna pick this.
No.
That's more.
Hold up. Somebody's here.
My mom.
My mom is here right now.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Like,
she doesn't like when I make YouTube videos.
yeah.
Anyway, so those are the previews of the gun, and we'll have the Nerf war in our part 2. Okay, this is part 1. Well,
I'm
we'll
taking.
see you guys next time. Subscribe and comment down below what we should do, and like if you can.
Bam!
If you can, smash that like button. Ready? Bye.